In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to blur your background. As you see here, I have a PNG file. It's Simba and Pride Rock and all that stuff. And then I have the background here. So a really quick way to blur your background, and the purpose of blurring your background sometimes is to really pull focus on something specific. So that's why I have this separate layer here of a PNG. So really quickly, to blur your background is you click your background, have it selected, and it doesn't matter if it's locked or not, but you can make a copy and all that stuff if you really want to. But select your background, go up to filter at the very top, and go to blur or blur gallery. Now the most common one that people use is a Gaussian blur. It's very evenly spread out, and here you can just go and adjust the amount of blur that you want. You can have it like this, where it's just unrecognizable. It seems kind of silly, but a lot of people will just slightly blur something out just to put a little bit more focus on another image that they have on their file, just to make something pop and send something to the background, and that in itself can create depth within a project depending on what you're doing. So let us know in the comment section below if this was helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next video.